Okay, so today I will be talking about a stress management technique, and that is diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing is an exercise that uses the diaphragm. It's a technique that helps you focus on your diaphragm. And what a diaphragm is, it's a dome-shaped muscle at the base of the lungs. So by training the diaphragm to open up the lungs, it can help you breathe more efficiently. When you inhale, your diaphragm tightens and moves downwards. This creates more space in your chest cavity, allowing the lungs to expand. Um, and these steps came from the book over how you want to go about this technique. So choose a time and place where you will not be disturbed. Turn off all of your distractions. Sit in a comfortable position, eyes closed with your back straight and one hand on your abdomen. Pay attention to your breathing. Let your abdomen push up against your hand as you inhale. And then focus on the sound of your breaths as you become increasingly relaxed. If thoughts enter your consciousness, take note of their arrival, then return to focusing on your breathing. And then repeat this exercise for 5 or 10 minutes. Consistency is key. And then I'm going to demonstrate this for you. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold breath for 2 seconds. And then exhale slowly through mouth for 6 seconds. All right, so while I was doing all of that, I had my hand on my abdomen to just feel it expand. And then research, I read a journal about the effects of diaphragmatic breathing on health, a narrative review by Hinataka Hamasaki. And that just talks about what exactly diaphragmatic breathing is. It is a slow and deep breathing method. It's defined as breathing in slowly and deeply through the nose using the diaphragm with the minimum movement of the chest with one hand placed on the chest and the other on the belly. The results, it improved respiratory function, for example, the respiratory rate, tidal volume, and respiratory time. And then I read another journal titled The Effectiveness of Diaphragmatic Breathing for Reducing Physiological and Psychological Stress in Adults, a quantitative systematic review. And these researchers, they wanted to evaluate the effectiveness of diaphragmatic breathing for reducing physiological stress in adults who are over 18. And the results were that diaphragmatic breathing may decrease stress as measured by physiologic biomarker. And then with the benefits of diaphragmatic breathing on stress reduction, they're going to need more research to continue to establish this evidence-based research. And then I had two other articles. The third one is an article from University of Michigan of Health titled Diaphragmatic Breathing for GI Patients. And this article just talked about how diaphragmatic breathing can benefit the human body. It can help people struggle with GI problems. For example, by activating the diaphragm, it creates a gentle massaging action felt by internal organs like the intestines and stomach, which can reduce abdominal pain, bloating, and constipation. Then the article went through steps to successfully do a diaphragmatic breathing technique. And that's the same technique I used for the demonstration. And then I read another article by Cleveland Clinic titled Diaphragmatic Breathing. And this article just went through the basics of what is the technique, the benefits, and the instructions over how to do it. And then the benefits of diaphragmatic breathing, this technique has been proven to relive different psychological and physical problems. For example, cooling off anger, lifting feelings of depression, lowering anxiety in people with generalized anxiety or panic attacks, improving sleep, and relieving muscle tension and pain. And then I have obstacles of diaphragmatic breathing, which is distractions. It's hard to focus on breathing when there are other things grabbing your attention, like noise, notifications, or other people. Physical discomfort. It's hard to relax and focus on your breath when you are uncomfortable. And this could be because of the way you're sitting, the temperature in the room, or any physical ailments you may have. And then mental blocks, thoughts, and emotions can come up that can make it difficult to concentrate or relax. And this could be because of different reasons, such as stress, anxiety, or other mental health issues. Lack of consistency. If you're not making the time for regular breathing sessions, it will be harder to see the benefits. And then lack of guidance or structure. So without guidance or structure, it can be really hard to stay motivated and see progress. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video.